I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use OBS Simple mode. To begin, open OBS Studio and go to the Settings menu. From there, select Output on the left-hand side. You will see an Output mode drop-down. Ensure it is set to Simple. This setting simplifies your streaming and recording process, making it much easier to get started without diving into advanced configurations. It's perfect for quickly capturing your screen or gameplay. Next, let's configure your output settings. For streaming, set your video bitrate. A common range is between 2,500 and 6,000 kilobits per second, depending on your internet speed and desired quality. Select your encoder. Hardware encoders like NVENC or AMF use your graphics card, while X264 uses your CPU. For recording, choose a save path and a recording quality, such as high quality, medium file size. Now let's add your content. In the Sources box, click the plus icon. To capture your screen, select Display Capture. For games, Game Capture offers better performance. Add audio input capture for your microphone and audio output capture for your desktop audio. You can easily arrange and resize these sources in the preview window to create your desired layout. This step is crucial for showing exactly what you want to your audience. Finally, you're ready to go live or record. If streaming, go to Settings, then Stream and connect your service like Twitch or YouTube. Once configured, simply click Start Streaming to begin your broadcast. If you're recording, just click Start Recording. Always keep an eye on the status bar at the bottom for CPU usage and dropped frames to ensure a smooth experience for your viewers or for your local files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.